Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add leaders in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I add leaders in this document. At first, I have to select this type tool. Then click on anywhere to add leaders. Now I shortcut using this add leaders. Now I press Ctrl Shift plus tab on your keyboard. Now you can see I add leaders. Now I go to another text box and I again press Ctrl plus tab. Now you can see I add leaders in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.